Alright, we're doing a same-day HDMI port replacement for PS4. I did my prep work a little too well, and without a rework station I got it to follow. So we got the board prep, port prep, let's get it on. Alright, let's secure these posts. We need more SATA. So outcome on the posts, and that's the final outcome on the pins. Let's go ahead and bolt it up. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. We appreciate any and all support that we get. New videos dropped every Sunday. Store open, memberships available, refurb units on the way.